Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Just Simple Meals. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for the subscriptions, for the likes, for the comments, for those who are sharing. Thank you so much. And also guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Guys, as you can see, today we are doing something simple. We are doing bread omelette, and we have the ingredients. We have our 2 eggs, we have our capsicums, the yellow and the green one, we have onions, we have our tomatoes, we have our bread, we have salt, we have oil, and also for the spices we have our paprika and black pepper and turmeric. Guys, let's cook. We start with our eggs. The other one, that. We add our turmeric, we add salt, a half tablespoon. We beat our egg. We put that aside. We add our onions, capsicums, the green and the yellow one. We add our tomatoes, we add our coriander, we add our paprika, our black pepper. We mix that. We add our eggs. We mix. We add oil to our pan. Like that. We let it heat a bit. Come with our bread. We dip it there, like that. We put it on our pan. We add our toppings. Like that. Make sure you are cooking at low to medium heat. Now we'll have to turn like that. As you can see, our bread omelette is almost ready. You can peel. Again, it's ready. We take it off. We add oil to our pan. We dip our bread. We add our toppings. Like that. And remove this. You can see our bread omelette has cooked. Take it off. We add oil to our pan like that. Come with our bread. We dip it there nicely. Put it on our pan. We add our toppings. We turn. I think it's ready to take it off. Okay guys, you can see our bread omelette is ready for breakfast. You can have it even twice a week. It's a nice meal. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the subscription. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Just Simple Meal. Support me guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.